Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In the previous video, I told you guys that we have only dealt with finding we have only dealt with the basic trigonometric identities. But in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to simplify identities like trigonometric identities using the principles that we have learned from the basic trigonometric identities that we have solved. Okay, so normally in this area they will ask you guys to like simplify some trigonometric identities. Like they will be like, I'll give an example. So let's just say we are simplifying an identity. Okay, so let's say the first identity we are asked to simplify 1 over 1 minus cos theta plus 1 over 1 plus cos theta. Okay, so what will we do? We have to simplify this. So sometimes they will not ask you to simplify, they will just tell you that, oh, this is equal to something, you should show it, you should prove it. So we'll also see an example around that area. So to solve this, you need to find the LCM of this, and the LCM will be the multiplication of the two. So we'll just have 1 minus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta. So what I'm trying to do here is to simplify these two fractions into one, so that I'll see like the things that will cancel out. Okay, so when you put this one inside, you have 1 plus cos theta, then plus 1 minus cos theta, right? Then this will give us this is difference of two squares, right? And at the numerator, the cos will cancel the negative cos, so you'll be left with 2 over difference of two squares. And this difference of two squares is the same as 1 squared minus cos squared theta, right? So this is what you get, and this will give us 2 over 1 minus cos squared theta. Remember from the identities, the basic identities, the first one we knew what sine squared theta plus cos squared theta is equal to 1, right? Now we have 1 minus cos squared theta, so we can replace this expression with a more simple one, which is like so from here, if you make sine squared theta, this will give us 1 minus cos squared theta, which is like the same thing that we have here. So in place of that, we can put the cos squared theta here. So this will now be equal to 2 over sine squared theta, right? 2 over sine squared theta. And also remember we learned inverse trig ratios, right? Where we know that 1 over sine theta is cosecant, right? Cosecant theta. 1 over cos theta will be equal to sec theta, and then 1 over tan theta will be equal to cotangent cot theta. Yeah, so in this place, this will now be equal to 2 into bracket 1 over sine theta all this squared. And we know that 1 over sine theta is cosec theta. So this will now be 2 cosec squared theta, right? So this will be your final answer. So when you simplify this is what you get. Okay, so now let's move on to some more. So you can try for this 1 over 1 minus sine squared theta plus 1 over 1 plus, oh, did I say squared? No, not squared. Okay, sine theta. Yeah, just the same thing, but replace the cos with sine, and then leave your answer in the comment section. Okay, leave your answer in the comment section. Now let's move to the next thing. So let's check this one out. So we have, so that's example 1, example 2. So let's say we have cot theta plus sine theta over what? 1 plus cot theta to be equal to what? Cosec theta. So here this, they're asking us to what? Show that this statement here is what? True. So the first thing we need to recognize here is that what? The cot theta is equal to what? 1 over what? Tan theta. And also remember that what? Tan theta is equal to what? Sin theta over what? Cos theta. So when you reversed it, you have 1 over what? Tan theta. This should be equal to what? Cos theta over what? Sin what? Theta, which is equal to what? Cot theta. So in short, all this thing is trying to tell you that what? Cot theta is the same as what? Cos theta over what? Sin theta, right? The inverse of what? Tan. Okay. So we can now write our whole expression to be what? Cos theta over sin theta plus sin theta over 1 plus what? Cos theta. I will not write this part, so let's just scroll this part. So this will now be equal to what? So we can find LCM, which will be what? Sin theta 1 plus what? Cos theta, right? So when you find LCM and solve, you get this will go, leaving go. Okay, so you get cos theta into bracket 1 minus 1 plus what? Cos theta, then plus what? Sine squared theta. So this multiply this multiply this multiply 2. Yeah, that's what you get. And when you simplify this one further, let's just open the bracket here. We have what? Cos theta plus what? Cos squared theta plus sine squared theta all over what? Sine theta into bracket 1 plus what? Cos theta, right? Then you can simplify this further. So, but we know that what? Sine squared theta plus cos squared theta is equal to what? 1, right? So it means that all this part can be equal to what? 1. So we will now have what? Cos theta plus 1 all over sin theta into bracket 1 plus what? Cos theta. So you can see that the numerator is equal to the 1 in what? This bracket here. So we can cancel them out. And you have what? 1 over what? Sin theta, which is equal to what? Cosec what? Theta. So since the answer we got, which is cosec theta, is equal to what they also have, cosec theta, we can say that our expression is what? Proved. Right? Okay. So it's just trying to like simplify the expression. Then you will see that some of the trigonometric ratios that we have dealt with earlier are part of what? Are very visible in this one. That's that you simplify them out. Okay. Yeah. So